Welcome everyone. Today we're going to teach how to use the content aware scaling to stretch and increase the size of the image. Let's come to this photo now. At first, let's zoom out this image. And then we come to the crop tool here. And make sure we take this delay cropped pixels. And then we just drag to the size we need. Alright, we are okay. We just press OK. And then we come to the edit content aware scaling. We press this button and then make sure we just press here. You are now to maintain the fixed ratio between the width and height. And now we're going to do is like we just click here and drag this image to the left, and you can see okay, there's something moving on the person here. We just stop here and then we just press OK. And then the magic thing is here. We just come back to the edit one more time and come to the edit aware scaling. Alright, what we're going to do is that okay, we can come to this button here. Okay, before that, make sure we just press this small chain here to make sure it's not to maintain the fixed ratio between the width and height. And then we'll come to here, click here and hold and drag continue drag all the way. Okay, I think we have extended the body here, so okay, I think we extended the body. We just stop here, then tick OK. Okay, now just try one more time. Okay, we come to edit, content aware scaling. Same thing, click this button here, not to fix the ratio between the width and height, and come to here, click this small button and drag all the way to the left. Then we are done. Okay, then we are done. You can do something here, right? You can just add whatever photos you like, add a text you like, and just come to here. Maybe you can type something, right? Like good morning. And just move around. You can just pull here. And you can change the color as well. Red color, no problem. Alright, so we are done. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.